Where are we, boss?
Sky. Shibuya Sky.
Well done. Shibuya Sky Garden. What do you think?
It's beautiful. Such a cool city.
Tokyo's large. Well, I guess it's a new video, so welcome back to the YouTube. This will be our first iPhone vlog, won't it? We forgot the DJI today. But this is like our full day in Tokyo vlog. Day in the life Tokyo, this will be called. So we're going to be going to get breakfast now at a place that I had a tantrum because we missed the breakfast yesterday. Now, if I'm honest, it's pretty tight. Apparently it stops at 11 and we're going to get there just before 11, so we'll see. And then we're just going shopping for the day, pretty much. Lots of shops. I picked up some absolute bargains yesterday because the yen is quite weak at the moment, and also like a lot of the brands I like are from Japan, so also you get tax-free. So I picked up some, I'll show you them later, made in the Haru Shiros, which are my chunky trainers, for about half price, which was nuts. So pretty buzzing to go shopping. We're going to fill up a suitcase and bring it home, I think. So come along for the day. We hope you enjoy. We first stop. Hopefully the next scene you'll see us tucking in some eggs. If not, I'm going to be a sad boy. Right, what's the plan? What happened? What happened?
What happened? We got a name at Jade. Because it was cute. And then Joe started sweating because he thought he's not going to be able to get breakfast. If you don't know that about him, he gets really stressed out about food. So we thought, because the cap was at 11 AM for breakfast, that's what it says on the website. So I was like, let me just ask, because it's past 11 now, even though our name's on the queue, on the list, we might not be able to get breakfast. So I asked and she said, no, it's the weekend set, so it's all day. So we came to get coffee while we were waiting.
Another happy customer?
Yeah.
You're the biggest shopper today.
I was just thinking, you're the one who wanted to shop and I'm buying more stuff.
Great success.
Out here weighing our burgers. This way, see me lift it up. I got a beef burger, some Japanese relish, and a plate of rice, which I will not eat because we're going to go for some pancakes soon. I saved myself for that. Not bad, half free meal too going in. Had a 5-egg omelette so far, and now this. Beautiful.
Good morning. Konnichiwa. What's going on today? What are we doing?
We just had breakfast and then we just stopped off to get some water because it's very hot.
We actually made breakfast on time for once.
I did.
Well, we did, and we got eggs,
No.
so we're happy. And what have you got now? Because you had a very low protein breakfast with 1 egg in it.
So 7-Eleven shop here has loads of like cool things to eat, and they have fried chicken as well.
Show me the breast. Show me your breasts.
I already bit into it.
There we go. Spicy red chicken, but how is it?
It's actually really good.
I bet it is.
What we're doing?
Good stuff. Lovely.
You told me to tell them what we're doing.
Yeah, what are we doing next?
We're going to get some shirts from the baseball team.
Yeah.
That's the Tokyo in it. We're going to get matching ones.
Yes, sir.
And then just a bit more shopping. It's our last day today, so just a bit more shopping, food, gym, and then we'll pack tonight.
And we will do a shopping haul. We'll show you what we
We'll
bought
take you along and then we'll show you what.
over the last couple of days. And we've both got upper today, so we won't film that because that's boring. Right, let's go get some Tokyo, man.
그런지 뭐지 딸린 같아지.
Alright people, that is our 2-day Tokyo mobile phone vlog. Lots of shopping done. We did want to do a haul for you, but the Airbnb is small and messy. We need to pack tonight, so we'll have to show you what we've got at another day. We saw some of it though, so don't worry too much. We hope you've enjoyed that. There might be more of this sort of content coming because obviously when prep ends, it's going to be the lifestyle. So yeah, we'll take you along for the ride. But we hope you enjoyed that Fast and Furious Tokyo vlog. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.